going on, chat? Man, I knew y'all were gonna roast me in that comment section, so I had to get it all cleaned up. Check it out. Yeah, we're looking right. She's looking right now. Now to see how long she'll actually stay clean. Damn things don't stay clean very long, I'll tell you that. This is where we dump. Every day it's like this, so. Every time I wash my truck, it rains. So I don't wash my damn truck. No! I'm just kidding. Not too bad. Let's go wash this one. Pro tip, always start from the bottom and work your way up. Don't ask me how I know. Hey, we got a cheeseburger. Damn it. I washed the driver's truck better than I washed mine. Oh well, time to go home.